Hello everyone, here is a solution of troubleshooting and debugging techniques course week 1, Qwiklabs assessment on Coursera. To start your lab, click on Open Tool. It will redirect you to the problem page. The name of this problem is Debugging Python scripts. Now click on Start Lab. It will take some time. It depends on your internet speed. To increase your internet speed, you can check out my 30-second short on Speed Up Network. The best way to access your lab is by using Putty. You can also access your lab using SSH. If you want, you can read all the instructions below. Download PPK file for authentication. Now copy username, paste it on Putty then. Type that and then copy paste IP address. Click on SSH and then of authentication and then on credential, select PPK file which we have downloaded and open. This lab is simple. Most of the time you just have to copy-paste the command on your virtual machine. Please like and subscribe. Python script showing type error, we have to fix. Open file with nano. We have to typecast the number variable to a CR. To save this, press Ctrl+O and enter. Press Ctrl+X to exit. Run your Python script again. It's working perfect. Click on Check My Progress. Now you can click on End Lab, rate the lab and submit.